This is an exciting day at the Smart Film School. Finally, we've got a Shoulderpod trainer's kit full of gear that helps making Mojo training a lot easier. If you're a Mojo trainer like I am, been doing it for like 7-8 years, starting with Radio Free Europe, you're gonna love this package, but we've got to open it up to see what's inside. Oh, I noticed there's a note here from my neighbor who apparently can't read small type and didn't realize this package wasn't for her. So, sorry, this video is a couple weeks late. It should have arrived much earlier. Wow. Look at this thing. Shoulderpod. Well, it's going to match the rest of my travel gear because I carry with a lot of red and black. North Face waterproof, Oakley waterproof luggage for my Mojo Gear adventures. And here we go. Flip that around. What's inside this really nice high impact case? Oh, look at that for Robb Montgomery. Look at that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Shoulderpod grips, plus handles, plus extension bars. Oh my gosh. And it's all beautifully packed here. I think this will go nicely to my next assignment, which is going to be in Singapore, or wait, it's going to be Warsaw, wait, it's going to be London, Chicago. This thing's going to get a lot of travel miles with me, and my students are going to be really, really happy. Thank you, Shoulderpod. This is one of the first ones, and if you teach Mojo, check out my books, check out the Smart Film School for the latest tips, and thanks for watching this gear test.